My sister's health journey began in 2016.
She had stage 4 colon cancer that had spread through her abdomen and to her liver.
So it was a lot of stress and she needed an outlet. We brought up art and it just took off.
She was on and off chemotherapy from 2016 to her death.
My sister Leslie had an art show here back in November of 2019. I wrote this for my sister. Leslie's artwork showed her love for flowers. Throughout her journey, she painted to cope with the stress of cancer in life. It brought joy and peace to be painting. She was a true fighter. After being told only 1 to 4 years of survival, she fought for 7 years. Throughout those 7 years, she created some beautiful paintings to remember her by. And these 2 orchids here, they're a picture. They're supposed to represent me and her. And that's why it's labeled the first 3 letters of my name and the first 3 letters of her name. It's supposed to represent most of us. I'm the bigger sister and she's the smaller sister, younger sister. And this is a subliminal paintings of her true feelings about cancer. These are her words. My parents dedicated their entire life to making the world we lived in a beautiful garden of flowers. Nature is not always perfect, therefore I find the beauty in the colors and patterns of florals. I took to painting as a kind of meditation to help paint out my feelings. I've come a long way in my journey and I am grateful for the programs like this because it really helped me. The sunflowers represent many things: strength, beauty, and her true feelings about cancer. So be a sunflower, so even on your darkest days, you will stand tall and find the light.